Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are around the world. Welcome to today's WYScale Business Opportunity presentation. This is the disclaimer. Please take a screenshot of this as you will require it just to make sure that you understand that everything that is spoken today in this presentation does not constitute as legal, financial, business, or tax advice. Do seek and consult with your legal, financial, tax, or professional advisor. At the end of the day, cryptocurrency, blockchain, all this is high risk. So major movements in our journey. 2021, this is when WYScale, WYSeth was actually incorporated. It started on the WYZ token on Tron blockchain. WYZ is our native token. It developed its own POA EVM blockchain, and it started mining its WYZ coin. It then developed its own blockchain explorer, WYScale, to keep records of transactions. 2022, technology advancements in the blockchain development, and they continued to conduct BTA exams and allocate certificates as WYZ advocates. They also at this time onboarded their first partners and users to drive early adoptions to the blockchain. And these lucky people also got an allocation of WYZ for free. And we will be launching our WYZ token next month on a centralized exchange, and that would be a game changer for the whole ecosystem. 2023, we launched the WYScale to increase trust and value within the DeFi ecosystem. It started offering FDs, staking, bridging, mutual funds, and services, which allowed the expansion of the DeFi within the real world assets. 2024, this year, lots have been happening. They listed the WYS, which is the utility coin, on a centralized exchange, xd.com. 55.403 transactions have been completed on WYScale successfully. 41.231 active wallet addresses are actually on the EVM blockchain. They are continue undergoing development within the Ethereum library to be basically revealed in the fourth quarter or the first quarter of next year. Testing ZK rollups to boost Ethereum and BTC scalability. And beginning of this year, February the 2nd, they launched their WYS farming opportunities. So adding to the WYS blockchain is we are going to be on the Ethereum library. Last year, they signed a contract with Ethereum to be their number 23rd chain. What this means is Ethereum will bring on their security and decentralization into WYScale, and that will further enhance the full ecosystem in a very serious contender within the marketplace. The benefits of a POA L1 blockchain is its fair holder participation through delegation, energy efficient and eco-friendliness. And these are the two main areas. The benefits of WYScale's blockchain is the rapid transaction speed and the low transaction fees. The rapid transaction fees, as we know, Ethereum is 13 seconds per transaction. WYScale is 12 seconds. In terms of low fixed transaction fees, WYScale is actually leading the market in terms of being one of the first to actually incorporate low fixed transaction fees, next to nothing. What this all means right here is if we look at how blockchain started, we used to talk about 8 Satoshis, and 8 Satoshis is basically 8 zeros behind the decimal, meaning it was pennies to the pennies to the pennies. The low transaction fees here is equivalent to 6 Satoshis, which is, as you know, very, very cheap. And to give you a bit of a fun fact, Tron last month actually announced that they are looking to work on low fixed transaction fees next to zero. So this is actually exciting times for people within this space. On the 22nd of January, they launched on xd.com. They did the offering of 5,000 WYS and it sold out within 8 seconds. This highlights the strong investor interest and validates WYSS within the ecosystem and to be a very serious contender in the next generation of platforms out there. So what is farming? Farming allows you to earn rewards by staking and locking tokens in liquidity pools. WYScale offers multiple farm pools with attractive APYs to generate yields on your crypto assets. So the benefits of the farm: it's safer earnings versus volatile crypto trading. You earn yields without active trading or referrals. It's a very easy setup, and you can also take advantages of the attractive reward rates. So why should you farm with WYScale? Through audits of integrated protocols, insurance fund covers losses for exploitation, and we'll cover that very shortly. Careful pool selections to limit impermanent losses, forecast to warn of deteriorating yields, and they are ever compliant with the ever-evolving regulations. So the tokenomics is the heart of WYScale, and here it is. The total supply is 40 million. Farming to date, totaling is 9 million, and we have listed currently 6.1 million. There is still 9.5 million upcoming to be listed. Harvesting is 27.8 million tokens, and it is mined quarterly, 1.67 million over the next 6 years. Operations, marketing, and listing is 500,000 WYS. So here's an example of a few of the farm pools that we have currently. So pool 1, we have the WYS farming, which is 100% WYS. We have the 2 pools, which is 24 months and 36 months, offering a 3.75% per month and a 4.55% per month. And at the end of the tenure, completion of the tenure, your principal comes back. You can start with a minimum of 1 WYS and the maximum of 5,000 WYS tokens in all the pools. So this is an example of the breakdown that is combined with the tokenomics. As I mentioned, the WYS is 100% of WYS. The pool size is 2 million of both pools. And of the 24 months, you can earn 3.75%. But if you were to recruit or invite, refer people, you can have a 2x multiplier to get your investment back faster. The 24 months is same $2 million pool or 2 million WYS pool. Pool size is actually 22% of the tokenomics. 4.55% passively, where you can, if you were to refer or invite, you can 4x your income back faster over the 36 months. So this is pool 2. There's a 24 months and 36 months, 2.5%. and 3.85%, and at the end of the tenure, you will get your principal back. Now, this pool is basically WYS with Arbitrum. So if you have any ARB sitting in your wallet, you can look at this pool. So a 60-40 ratio, so split between the two. The third pool is the WYS versus the BNB pool. Combined 50-50, 24 months is 2.85% per month. 36 months is 4.1% per month. And at the end of the tenure, you get your principal back. Now, this is the most popular pool out of all the pools. This has been going for now 4 months. Is the USDT farming pool. It's a 12-month tenure. Passively, you can earn 16.67%. And after the 12 months, passively, you will get your money back, your principal back. There is a starting minimum of 100 USDT within this pool. So this is an example of the breakdown within the tokenomics. It is 100% USDT, which is converted to FUSDT into the pool. There's only 100,000 WYS allocated to it, which is 1.11% of the pool size. The ROI is 16.67%. And if you were to invite or refer, you can 3x your incomes to get it back faster within the 12 months. Now, these examples are of the USDT pool and how this works. So to get the passive income of a 12 months tenure, We'll use example of $14 of the market rate as an example. So $100 minimum over 14 gives you 7.14 WYS. So every month, 16.67 of 7.14 gives you 1.19 WYS. And what is great about this, the WYS, is it is dependent on the market. So if, for say, right now the coin value due to the last week's and continually red market, or the whole market's down, so WYS is on sale. It's just over $10. So to give an example, if you were to come in at, we'll use the $14, it is $14. Each month you're getting $16.66. If it was to increase, for instance, the market with the pending bull run, and as we know with the bull run, everything increases in value, even the poo-poo coins. So $30, if WYS went to $30, you'd be earning $35.7 per month. If it was increased to $50, you'd be getting $59.5 per month on the $100 example. Let's take a look at the 500. So the 500 is at $14, would give you at $83.3 per month. All the way through, if it was to increase, we'll look at $50. It will give you $297.57, $297.5 per month. And a larger amount, $1,000, $14 will give you $166.06. And at $50, it will give you $595 per month. So with all programs, we also do have a Tractor Rewards program. So you can basically be a passive income earner and farm and yield and harvest, or you can actually look at referring or inviting people to the platform. And we have a referral, level income, rank bonus, global pool, and rank booster. So direct referral income is basically everyone that you bring on directly, and you earn 10% on all direct referrals plus any of their reinvestments. Level income structure, we have actually 20 levels of income on a uni level structure. So the total of the first 15 levels is totaling 13%. Levels 2 gives you 5%. Levels 3 to 5 gives you 1%. Levels 6 to 15 gives you 0.5%. And you're probably wondering where the last 5% is. And that is because you do need to qualify for that, which is the Sapphire rank, which I'll discuss very shortly. You do need a minimum of 500 WYS business volume every month. And there is a 70-30 rule that applies here. And if you do qualify as Sapphire, it opens up the last 5 levels, 16 to 20, of 0.5 per level percent, totaling 2.5%. So we talk about the 70-30 rule, and it's basically very simple. The conditions are 70% from your strongest line and 30% from all remaining lines. So this is an example of a qualifier, but this is for the bronze. So if this was you and you brought on 3 directs, and what happens below them is the volume that they encompass contributes to your bonus volume. So direct 1 brings in volume of 350 WYS, that gives you the 70%, and direct 2 and 3 brings in volumes of the remaining 30%, which is 150 WYS. This actually will rank you to bronze. And this is an example here of the generous rank bonus. This is a once off. Every rank that you hit, it's once off, and then you move to the next. There is no flushing. So the bronze, as I mentioned to you, is the 70-30 is 500 team volume, gives you a rank bonus of 10 WYS. Silver, team volume of 1,000 WYS, gives you a rank bonus of 10 WYS. So forth to Sapphire, because that is the next milestone. You hit that, 25,000 team volume will give you a 300 WYS bonus, all the way to the big builders, diamond, 200,000 WYS gives you a bonus of 2,000 WYS. We also do have the global pool. So if you hit the global pool, team volume of 10,000 above, you will be in the 1% pool, the pool for 1%. If you have team volume of 50,000 above of WIS, you go into the pool to earn 1.5%. Obviously, there are two criteria required: 70-30, 70% on your strongest leg and 30% from your remaining line. Payouts commence after the first 30 days and continue their daily thereafter. So as I mentioned, it is a uni level, so you do need to unlock the different levels. So to unlock levels up to level 3, you need 1 direct. To unlock to level 6 levels, you need 3 directs. You need 5 directs to unlock to levels 10, 7 directs to unlock levels 15, and 10 directs to unlock all 20 levels. Now, this is a new and upcoming project that is coming up. It is launching very, very soon. It is our AI arbitrage trading via flash loan licensing. The beta test launching is being announced, and it will be close to the end of this month. Do stay tuned. And it is free for everyone. You need to be an active member in the farm and qualify with at least rank currently. This will change once the beta testing finishes. So this is a case study of how flash loans work. Those that understand flash loans is basically a combination of arbitrage trading and bot trading. So arbitrage has been around for a very long time, 50 years. Bot has been around for a couple of years. So those two combined along with flash loan. So the flash loan is basically a smart contract, digital currency that gives you, it's not collateralized, an offering. So if you have, for instance, a $100, you can get a 300x or up to a 500x in terms of a flash loan for free. So example, if you have $100, you would get a $30,000 flash loan. And how flash loans work is there's only 2 scenarios, and that's what makes this flash loan very, very attractive and currently right now very, very popular within the marketplace. The first scenario of flash loans is through arbitrage. It picks up a flash loan. It only takes 1% trade. So on a $100 example, it gives you 30,000 flash loan, so meaning $300. So $300 goes into marketplace and scales for a buy and sell of the different exchanges. If it finds a buy and finds a sell, that is a complete sale and you gain a profit. The flash loan gets paid back and the profit goes into your account. The second scenario is if you click on the flash loan, it picks up the 1%. So $300 goes into the market, looks for exchange A, finds exchange A, but does not find an exchange B to sell. What happens? It rolls back, meaning it's a failed trade. So what ends up happening is the flash loan gets paid immediately, and what you lose here is only gas. So the contending conclusion here is why flash loans is so popular is there is no losing trades. You do not lose anything other than gas and your time. So this example here was originally we were supposed to launch the original flash loan was supposed to be in May. Due to market conditions, that was actually canned. And this was actually the example that we had back there where we were going to charge licenses for it. So this is just to give you an example of how the potential of what flash loans can do. The current project that we have, the beta testing, is nothing like this, but it is also the possibility of earning, but you're earning for free. So the $100 license gives you a flash loan of $30K. 7-day license gives you the potential to earn $250. It's also renewable. The 200 will give you a flash loan of 60,000, license for 10 days to potentially earn 500. The $500 license gives you a flash loan of 150K on a 15-day license to potentially make 1,250. The 1K license gives you a flash loan of 300,000. A 30-day license to potentially make 2,500. The 5K license potentially will give you a 1.5 million flash loan over a 30-day license to potentially make 12,500. The 10K license will give you a flash loan of 3 million. 30-day license to potentially make 25,000 there. All these are renewable. So the original project, we were going to be beta testing and everyone was going to get a $100 license. So that was free. The proviso for that is 50% of that would go to the company and 50% would go to you. So one of the strategies that was put in play and is still doable if they were using this protocol is if you got in the beta testing, you of $100, you potentially would have made $250. So 125 goes to the company, 125 goes to you. So you could use that 125 and buy the $100 license to make $250. The profits of your $250, you can go and buy the $200 license to make $500. And you would slowly staircase your way up all the way to 10,000. And what that means potentially was you didn't have to pay for the flash loan. This is what the project that was canned back in May. And as I said, it was due to the MEV bots and the change of market conditions. Right now, we have developed a brand new flash loan that is coming out very, very shortly. The profits to this will be 50-50. And it is being confirmed that everything on the flash loan, there will be no license. Everything is free. But what will end up happening is where the company will make profit is the profits that you earn from the flash loans, 50% will go to you and 50% will go to the company. Full details are coming up very, very shortly. It's being revealed every day as we speak. The last one was updated on Saturday where AG came on and gave the lowdown and also gave examples of the flash loans that have been tested. So what we're offering right now, and this is basically the launching of it, is we're launching flash loan bots, HFT bots, and Forex bots. So the flash loan bots is arbitrage, sandwich, and liquidation. This is not available to brokerage. And what we mean by brokerage is there's two criteria or two categories. You could be a trader or you could be a broker. We are looking at the word brokerage, but that is, according to AG, is not necessary within the crypto space. The second category of bots we have is HFT bots, which is arbitrage, spot trading, leverage trading, and DCA trading. This will be very exciting here. And lastly, we have the Forex bot, which is leverage trading, and this applies to the brokerage. So why are we different from what is out there? One thing that I do know currently in the marketplace is there are a lot of flash loans because of the popularity of no losing trades, but do be mindful. How are we different? We secured it with smart contracts and blockchain-based custody of funds. The fact that we are a fully pledged blockchain layer 1, we are able to do this. We are also providing insurance options for your funds with multiple products. Funds remain with you, offering transparency, real-time analytics. Trading is backed up and with strategies backed up for the last 60 months. And the reason why we have this data here is because part of the bots, as I said, it's been around for a very long time, arbitrage trading. So the strategies that have been put in place have been tested since then. We've just aligned it with what we currently have. We do regular monitoring and optimization of algorithms to limit drawdowns, and transparency, integrity, and trustworthiness of our platform. And there is no fixed ROI or guarantees. This is real trading. We are not asking for a cent, for no licenses are actually conducted because everything within these bots is free. The only requirement is you are required to be active within the farm to be able to be offered the flash loans. So as I mentioned, insurance. This is just a quick rundown. There is a full presentation on insurances, but WYScale is one of the first to actually implement successfully their insurance fund. The insurance fund is a decentralized pool of capital in case that WYScale emergency shutdown occurs on the chain, i.e. the WYSS blockchain. Insurance is available for all investors and participants. where they can insure what they have invested in. The scenario is equivalent to declaring WYScale being bankrupt. And what this means is if they do go bankrupt, you can directly activate in the system and return it to the WYS active insurance holders in proportion. So this is in case, as I said, insurance for those that want to insure their funds within WYScale. So that is it. This is WYScale's presentation. If you are interested and you like what you see, get back to the person that invited you here and kickstart your journey today. We have business presentations every Tuesday at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And don't forget, you can also attend our Super Saturday training, which is at 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, followed by AG, the owner, founder of the company, at 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time there. If you'd like to know more, we are also on Telegram, and this is our only other official social, which is WYScale Global. And until the next presentation, be blessed. Thank you for coming, and we'll talk to you all soon. And if you are joining, welcome to the WYScale family. Thank you.